Good day everyone, in this video, I will show you the fault code and location of each sensor mounted in the engine. Some of the sensor has a different fault codes when it fails, especially during engine operation. Troubleshoot using a computer scanner is the most efficient way. Fault code EDC 03087-05 is the oil pressure sensor. Oil pressure sensor mounted in the oil cooler housing near the AC compressor. Fault code ZBR0111-10 is the coolant level sensor. Coolant level sensor is located at the top of radiator header tank. Fault code 00647-10 is the fan clutch. The fan clutch is fitted with a radiator cooling fan. Fault code EDC 03088-06 is the intake manifold boost pressure sensor. It is mounted at engine intake manifold. Fault code EDC 03089-05 is the charge air temperature sensor. The sensor located near the engine oil dipstick. Fault code EDC 03099-06 is the rail pressure sensor. It is mounted in the fuel rail. Fault code EDC 03748-04 is the high side output stage metering unit. It is mounted in the fuel high pressure pump. Fault code EDC 03091-06 is the cooling water temperature sensor. It is mounted at water manifold located at the rear side of cylinder head. Fault code ZBR03201-13 is the air filter pressure sensor. It is mounted at the air filter housing. Fault code EDC 0310-05 is the fuel supply pressure sensor. It is mounted at the fuel filter housing.